Silence breaks. A whisper of carbon fiber meets the horizon. This is not merely a vehicle. It is a declaration, a physics experiment unleashed upon asphalt. For decades, dreams of Formula One dominance resided in the wind tunnel. Today, those dreams have solidified into this menacing sculpture. We gaze upon the Aston Martin Valkyrie, cloaked in a depth of blue that consumes the light. Prepare for the redefinition of speed. Conceived from the mind of Adrian Newey, the Valkyrie is the purest expression of aerodynamic efficiency. Every curve, every negative space, serves the singular master, downforce. Its lineage traces directly from the pinnacle of motorsport, translating track aggression into road legality. This is hypercar design liberated from compromise, where form follows function with brutal honesty. The front lighting assembly is a marvel of miniaturization. Designed to minimize weight, the units are structurally integrated, appearing almost skeletal. They pierce the darkness with surgical precision, utilizing complex LED matrix technology that conforms seamlessly to the vehicle's radical front contours. They are eyes of predatory intent. Beyond mere illumination, the headlight housing contributes strategically to the airflow management. Cool air is channeled expertly around and through the structure, mitigating drag and ensuring laminar flow over the massive front splitter. This meticulous attention to thermal and kinetic management epitomizes the Valkyrie ethos. The traditional grille is absent, replaced by gaping voids that define the vehicle's purpose. Air is not merely cooled, it is weaponized. Beneath the sculpted nose reside gargantuan Venturi tunnels, pulling the car toward the tarmac with immense suction. This ground effect system is the heart of its gravity-defying grip. The sheer complexity of the front plane demands respect. Dive planes, strakes, and the precisely angled splitter work in concert, generating hundreds of kilograms of downforce before the vehicle even reaches triple digits. The deep blue finish amplifies the dramatic curvature of these critical aerodynamic elements. Viewing the profile reveals a teardrop cockpit, a necessity when packaging a V12 engine and 2 occupants. The glasshouse seems impossibly small, prioritizing structural integrity and aerodynamic continuity. The exposed suspension components visible through the bodywork are a deliberate showcase of mechanical beauty. The sculpted wheel arches barely contain the staggered Michelin rubber, emphasizing the extreme width required for stability. The line flows relentlessly from the minimalist A-pillar back, guiding air over the roof scoop toward the engine bay, ensuring the colossal V12 breathes freely. In a quest for minimal drag, conventional wing mirrors are replaced by sleek, camera-based units that feed the internal displays. The dihedral doors are operated by flush-mounted mechanisms, eliminating protrusions. Every element along the flank, including the discrete side markers, is integrated with obsessive precision. The rear lighting signature is impossibly thin, almost a mere sliver of red light traversing the entire breadth of the massive rear deck. This continuous light bar is mounted high, allowing the vast expanse of the rear diffuser and exhaust architecture to dominate the lower visual field. This minimalist approach ensures that the lighting does not interrupt the crucial flow of air over the rear surfaces. The signature is distinct, instantly recognizable, yet utterly subservient to the vehicle's aerodynamic function. It is elegance stripped down to its functional core. The rear view is defined by the colossal, twin-channel diffuser, perhaps the most aggressive ever fitted to a road car. This component is the primary downforce generator. High-mounted dual exhaust outlets ensure the searing heat does not interfere with the underbody airflow, completing a profile of absolute aggression. Entry is an exercise in dexterity, reflecting the purity of its racing architecture. The door closes with a resounding deep thud, a surprising display of solidity from a featherweight monocoque. The immediate impression upon seating is one of quality engineering married to race car austerity. There is no excess weight here. The cabin is a symphony of exposed carbon fiber, matte finish to prevent distracting reflections. Dashboards are largely non-existent. Controls are integrated directly into the steering yoke. Material choice favors lightness and structural integrity over traditional plushness. Every visible weave is perfect. The dashboard is structurally exposed matte carbon fiber, unforgivingly functional. There is zero superfluous cladding or ornamentation. Alcantara adheres strategically to minimal surfaces, primarily providing necessary grip and effectively reducing glare from direct sunlight. The seating position is radically reclined, feet high, precisely mimicking the posture of a professional Formula One driver. The center console is barely present, housing only essential transmission controls, emphasizing the driver's direct, uncompromising connection to the machine's mechanics. The steering wheel is a technological yoke, detachable for quicker ingress and egress, and bristling with vital controls and integrated screens. It is the absolute command center, putting telemetry readouts, crucial drive mode selectors, and the lightning-fast gear shift paddles precisely at the driver's immediate fingertips. In this machine, traditional infotainment is rightfully secondary to critical performance data. The UI is sharp, instantaneously responsive, focused almost exclusively on metrics like lap times, brake temperatures, and the complex hybrid system status. Distracting menus are non-existent. The main cluster screen, mounted directly within the steering wheel, customizes its display based on the selected drive mode. In full race mode, the digital readout strips away everything but the essential rev counter, gear position indicator, and necessary high-priority warnings, optimizing reaction speed. Power emanates from the legendary Cosworth 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12, engineered to scream violently past 11,000 revolutions per minute. Paired expertly with a potent Kurz-style hybrid system, the combined output thrusts this featherweight chassis into a dimension reserved strictly for professional race machinery. In its most compliant setting, the Valkyrie exhibits a surprising, though definitively firm, tractability. Low-speed maneuvering requires absolute caution and surgical awareness, yet the stiff carbon chassis transmits the road texture with startling, detailed clarity, constantly preparing the driver for the forthcoming violence. Engaging track mode unleashes the full mechanical symphony. The bespoke V12 houses a mechanical protest. Gear shifts from the sequential transmission are instantaneous, and the active suspension hardens into granite. This machine does not merely drive. It aggressively attacks the road, demanding respect and absolute focus from its privileged pilot. The Valkyrie is an epoch-defining engineering moment, a tangible testament to what is supremely possible when technological constraints are completely discarded. It is reserved for the ultra-elite few who seek the ultimate intersection of mechanical art, raw engineering, and uncompromising speed. If you dare to approach this level of perfection, subscribe now for more uncompromising machines.